you need a big equipment, that's expensive equipment before you start uploading here on YouTube. Why? Tell me why? You know, when I started YouTube, I started with nothing. I don't have tripod, I have no microphone, no camera. Like, I actually started with my Android phone. So I'm here to empower you. Like, I'm here to tell you guys that Android phone you are holding in your hand today can be used to make billions of money for you. Yes, I actually started with an Android phone. Probably it was Infinix. People, like, if you see the phone yourself, you'll not believe that this is what I use in filming. I have nothing like tripod, like I said earlier. So you don't need an expensive gadget before you can start uploading here on YouTube. Today I'll be telling you 3 things that can help you film like a pro and upload here on YouTube. The first thing is that phone you are holding. Yes, that phone can be used to film video, and the video quality will be given. I won't lie to you. When you start like a beginner that you are, start with the available resources around you. Charlie, you blow, like the video will blow for you. I'm not going to lie. The second thing that I'll mention is a tripod. I don't have a tripod when I started YouTube. Yes, this is how I go about filming my video. I use hanger. I just use rubber tie to hold my phone on this hanger, and I film like a pro. I'll just hang it on a wooden chair. I used to hang it on a wooden chair, sit with it, and then film my video. That is how I go about filming video when I started with nothing. The third thing that I'm going to mention is the light. Yes, people say ring light actually make my video beautiful. Ring light actually did this to my video. With the natural light, my dear, you are good to go. Sit beside a window to get that natural light and film your video like a pro. Last but not the least thing that I'm going to talk about is that you also think you need a microphone in order to be vocal. My dear, it doesn't work that way. As a beginner without equipment, you need to be vocal. Just be vocal, like just be yourself. Know who you are. Talk to the mobile phone, face the phone and talk, be vocal. Your audio is going to be recorded, and yes, it will come out beautiful. Like, you're gonna be a pro on this channel. Forget about that microphone. I need to get this microphone. No. As I'm filming, am I using microphone? Of course not. I'm not using any microphone. I'm just being vocal, and what I'm putting out here has been recorded. Editing tools. I want this video to be quick, so let's just hop into them fast and go. Your editing tools. Now, when it comes to apps that you can use to edit, I'm going to mention 3. Those 3 apps are very good for you as a beginner to use. Without anybody teaching you, you can actually film and edit your video like a pro. The first that I'm going to mention is this InShoot, followed by KineMaster, and the last thing is CapCut. With these 3 apps, you can use any one of them to edit your video like a pro, because they have features, like editing features that have best quality editing features for you to use. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe to this channel and get motivated, get much more motivated on this channel, and also make your money here on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe, share this video with someone, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.